All right. So, anyways, Daisy, how's it going? Oh, I'm doing good, Peach. I'm doing good. Yeah, I'm doing good. Hey, princesses. Yeah, what is it, Luigi? What is it? Yeah, how you doing there, honey? How is he doing there, Luigi? Oh, hey, Daisy. So, yeah. Anyway, so me and Mario, on the other hand, well, we just kind of actually fought somebody. Oh no, who was it? It was Metal Mario. Wait, seriously? Who's Metal Mario? Ah, that's the good question. Well, the only question here, broskies, is that I have a good question to explain that. Uh-oh, that cannot be good. Oh yeah, broski, it's just about time to do so. Oh no, it's Cousin Bowser. What are you doing here, Cousin Bowser? Well, Luigi. Looks like it's time for this to still again to get on to the attack, broski. What are you doing here? Where's Bowser? I'm not telling you anything, broski. I'm not telling you where he is. He's safe in his own castle. Uh-oh, this cannot be good. Mario, get in here. Woohoo! What's going on here? Oh no, not you again. Oh, that's right, broski. This time, I'm gonna capture the princesses. Without all further ado, you broskis are gonna lose. Oh yeah? Who's gonna stop us? Look again, broski. Right coming from here. Uh-oh. That's right, broski. You have to face all of them, broski. Mr. Buzz is ready. It's time to kick the farmers' butts. Morton is ready to kick some butt because Morton's ready. Oh yeah, I'm ready because Cody is ready to use my magic. Beep beep, coming through. No, 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 no. Oh yeah, it's time to knock out those Mario brothers. Anyways, broski, what are you gonna do about it? Oh yeah, Cousin Bowser, you guys are gonna get another thing coming because we're gonna kick all of you guys' butts right now. Is that in the right, Luigi? Oh yeah, Toad. I mean, yellow Toad and blue Toad. Protect the princess. Okay, all right. You have nothing to stand against us, broski. You will not stop us. Oh yeah, and who's gonna make us? That would be me. Who you? I'm King Koopa. Oh, great. Where you came from? I came from the past. To deal with you guys now. The real Mario Brothers. But so far, it's time to capture the princess. No way! And you're not laying your dirty green fingers on our princesses. Yeah, that's right, you green face. You better get better to get your butt kicked or surrender. Ha! You fools are pathetic. Koopa Pack, attack! Come on, Cousin Bowser, let's kidnap them. All right, with pleasure, King Koopa. Uh-oh. You heard him, guys. Attack! Uh-oh. Come on, Luigi. Let's use our powers right now. With pleasure, bro. With pleasure. Let's get him. Yeah. Wow, wow, wow. Eee. Wee. Ah. Wee. Yeah. Whoa. Ah. Man. Wow. Here I come, dude. Wow. Wow. Eee. Eee. Here I come, dude. Oh, yeah. That doesn't hit me because dry bones isn't affected. Ouch! Beep beep coming through. Yeah! Yeah! Wah! Wah! Try to hit me now, plumber. Wah! Oh yeah! Yeah! Trying to get the superstar. Uh-oh. That isn't good. Dry bones, dry bones, dry bones. Broke the belt, broke the belt, broke the belt, broke the belt, broke the belt. Dry bones defeated. Minions, Get that plumber. Get him. Get it on. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Man's boomerang, bro. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Beep beep. I mean, what? Wah! Oh. Still get him, you fools. Oh yeah, here comes morning time. Minions, go after and get the princess. I got this. Time to defeat you because Morton is about to destroy you. Yeah. Ow. Oh. Oh. Ah. Yeah. What? Oh. Oh. Come on. Oh. 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 Yeah. What? You missed me. Time to defeat you once again and time to call my raccoon tail. You won't stop me. This time I am. Oh, great. Whoa! Oh! Yeah! Ow! Yeah! Oh! Yeah! Oh! Ah! Oh! Morton defeated. Yahoo! Yeah! Take that! You guys are not gonna stop Luigi! Oh yeah? Bring it on then! Luigi, let's take him on, shall we? With pleasure. You won't stop Luigi for long. Oh, yeah! Ah! Wah! You, are you okay, Mario? Yeah, I'm alright, Luigi. Get him! Alright, take that. Ah! Wow! I mean, wow! 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 Luigi, okay? Alright, I'm gonna use that raccoon. Alright, let's do this with a fox. You won't stop me for long. Wow! 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 Ouch! Oh! Yeah! Oh! Yeah! Oh! Yeah! Oh! Oh! Oh no, you don't. You don't mess with my bro. What are you gonna do about that, huh? What are you gonna do? Take this. Oh, 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 oh. Mario, help me out here. Help me out here, Mario. You know what to do. Diddy Kong, go get him. Get off me! Get off me! Get off me! Easy peasy. Get out of the way, you stupid toads. Never! Never, dude. Never. You're not getting the princesses. Oh, yeah? You know what to do, cousin Bowser. Oh, yeah, with pleasure. Oh, I'm on fire! Oh, no, on fire! It's gonna be too easy to get those princesses. We'll never go with you. Never. Yeah, never. We'll never go on with you. Oh yeah? Cody, put him out of sleep. You got it, Master Cousin Bowser. Mario! Luigi! Well, that was easy. Of course it was easy, Broski. It wouldn't be that easy to be that similar. I'll take the princess from here. You get Daisy, okay? All right, Broski. You got it, King. King Broski. King Broski, huh? That's a very good name I've never heard of in a long time. Just for those Mario brothers. Just so they know that they won't stop us until we retreat. Well, while I take the loot and taking the princess, no one's not going to stop me. All right, it's time to take the princess Texas girl and get the heck out of here. All right, now I know what to do. I'm gonna use my magic to use that to fight off the Mario Bros while they're at it. Just so you guys know already, Wario and Diddy Kong, all you guys gotta do is just get them to retreat. Me and Diddy Kong haven't finished yet. But yes, me and Diddy Kong and Donkey Kong will be sure to take care of this. We teleport them back to Bowser's castle and get them all healed. You got it, Wario, you got it. Now be sure to go fight off the Mario Brothers. Oh yeah, with pleasure. Diddy Kong, you ready? I'm gonna take care of Luigi. I'm gonna help Waluigi. All right, well that is happening. Now, yeah, do as what Bowser said. Is make them retreat back to the castle. All right, you got it. I'll teleport them all back. It's gonna be too easy while the princesses are captured. Oh, that's a good point there, Wario. That's a good point. Yep, that's right. Anyway, this is gonna get very good. All right, time to teleport them all to the castle. There we go. They're teleported to the castle. Yeah, paratrooper, what is it? All right, go out there and get the Mario Brothers. All right, this is gonna get real fun, but this time I'm gonna use the magic on the both of them, which is Ludwig, Wario, Diddy Kong, and Donkey Kong to use the magic on all of them. All right, this time they're gonna be powerful, and they will not stop them. It is now time to be defeated, Luigi. Any last words before I defeat you? Oh yeah, how about this? Oh no, I lost my powers. What are you gonna do about it now, huh? What are you gonna do? Oh yeah, how about this? Bear Trooper, get him! Oh my God, Wario, help me out here! I thought you'd never ask. Not that again. Oh, oh. Oh, that was too easy. Well, the Luigi's knocked out. Oh, this is gonna get real fine. All right, Koopa Pack, retreat! Retreat immediately! That means let's get out of here. Oh yeah, let's get out of here, everyone. Let's get out of here. Oh, Mamma mia! You're going down, plumber. Oh yeah, I heard Wario said retreat. Oh yeah, just so you know, Mario, we'll be back to get you sometime and someday. You guys may live for now, but Lidwig and a few others aren't gonna give up just yet. Yeah. You guys are gonna retreat. We already know. Well, it's been fun knowing you, Mario, but this time you may have tried to think you can win the fight, but without the princesses on your protection, you guys are nowhere to be saved. Uh-oh, that is not good. Oh yeah, it is gonna get good. Just so you know that you will not stop us, because Widwig and few more, you won't stop us. Oh, you're gonna pay about that. You won't beat me because Donkey Kong is gonna knock you down real good. Oh yeah, we'll see about that, Gorilla. Come here, Gorilla, again, and I'll beg you. Remember, Donkey Kong, fight him another day. You may have tried to think you have survived yet, but I'll beat you again real soon. And Donkey Kong's gonna pound you to the dirt. But yeah, let's retreat. Oh no, no, this is not good. Luigi! Is it done, broskies? Is it done?
Oh yeah, it is done. I just knocked out a Luigi. Or was it Wario?
That was right. I knocked him out, Cousin Bowser. He won't be getting up for sure. All right, broskies, let's get on out of here and collect the reward for bringing Daisy and Peach. Anyway, broski, let's get on out of here. Well, the minions are back into our castle. I'm sure gonna love being on this team. Well, I can definitely agree there, King Koopa. I can definitely agree. So, with Bowser and your treaty, that you're still signed to join our side. Of course. As long as I'm not betraying you guys. All right. Come on, Cody. Send us all back to the castle. And still with Donkey Kong and Diddy Kong. You got it. Oh no, this is not good. Luigi, can you hear me? Oh no, he's locked out. Oh, Mamma mia. I gotta call Toad for this. I gotta call Toad. Man, I can't believe our princesses are sent back to Bowser's castle. Oh no! I mean, this could be really the time that they're sending the attack on us. Oh no! I think that might happen. This is not good. Without Peach and Daisy, who's gonna still save the kingdom? Well, oh yeah, I forgot it's about us. Well, as long as Luigi's in a coma, I kind of might as well just try to figure a way about this. Seems like I got to inform Cody immediately about this. Because Bowser might have just returned, and he might have came back. And who was that green fellow? Since I never know who this guy's name is. But I think Todd has a perfect explanation about that one. Anyways, I gotta call Toad immediately. Not good, and this is not what I was expecting at all from this one. Mamma mia!